That right there's spooky. The treetops, tree limb, dead trees. And if y'all can see those suckers, right there. Toby, stay back here. They were moving real good a minute ago and cracking and creaking. That's what I'm scared of. I'm trying to keep him out of the middle of the woods, out of inside of it. Boy, I'm telling you, there's so many new broken trees, limbs laying everywhere. Look at them. Oh, Lord, Tobe. I didn't turn the outdoor mode on either. Just pause it. Look at this one, ladies and gentlemen. See, that's broken right there. You can see it. This is why you don't want to be in the woods when we have a bad windstorm or storm in general. Right there. That's why I'm keeping Toby on the logging path. I don't want him down around this stuff. That's right, Tobe. I don't know if I'm gonna see if I can see that other one. Can't hardly see it myself. The sun's against us. But yeah, I'll show you another one, fresh one. We got some fresh. Okay, now keep in mind, this is January. This is February. February 2nd. And look at that. New green. New green. In Ohio. New. Can you believe that? New. New growth. I'll show you. Hold on, I'll show you some dead ones. I'm telling you, those are new ones. You see the brown ones? That's what this should be looking like. All them dead brown ones right there. All these dead brown ones is what that should have been looking like. A lot of green on this side though. A lot of green. Oh, I can't wait to get that zoom lens. I'm supposed to have it Tuesday, or yeah, tomorrow or Tuesday. But yeah, there's some new and old mixed together right there. There he goes. There he goes. And right there's another prime example why you do not want to be in the woods during storms. And we had high winds. And it uproots these big trees. I got one up here I'm going to show you. I don't know where it come from. But yeah. Pause this sucker. Toby? Yep. As you can see, the old growth, the old dead ones. See the dead ones? In with the new green. It's crazy. February in Ohio. We got some new growth, new green growth. Look how big these trees are. These things are dangerous. The moon's out. Look at the moon. Where'd it go? I lost it. Okay, it's below there. There it is. Let me try to, hold on, Tobe. Try to zoom in on it. I think it's neat when you can see the moon. Oh, I dropped my drink. So there's your moon. Get ready to get blinded. Wham! And there's your sun. There's the moon. Craziness. Okay, I've got to unzoom this, pause it again. I said pause, dirty dog, pause. See, look at that, grass. New grass. Crazy, that might be wild onion, wild garlic. Toby is filthy. He's running his little behind off though. He's gonna be mad though when he gets home because he has to be cleaned up. He's a mess. I was trying, like I said, I'm trying to keep him out inside the woods because of the wind. keeps picking up. It's behind us real bad. I can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I hear it. Okay. He's finding something. Pause again until I get to this one tree. We've got a bird's nest. It's really tiny. I can't get up there. I'm too short. I mean, it's not that... I don't know if I can raise it up. I can't personally see. It looks like a tree, a bird's nest to me from down here. I don't know though. Yeah, you can see all the old dead stuff and the new green stuff together. I just can't. I'm sorry, I keep repeating it. I'm just amazed. February in Ohio, this weather has been crazy. It's like 56 degrees out right now. Alright, we're coming up on that tree I'm talking about. I guarantee you that's from that windstorm. Has to be. Here it comes again. Tobe, get over here. That's one of them. You can see it's freshly broken off. I don't know where it come from though, actually. It's not sawed. Now there's one over here that's sawed, but this is snapped. That's why they must have come and look at that, fresh. Real fresh. You can tell they sawed that one off. Oh wow. All the way up with I don't know what those things are called to eat those trees like that. It's disgusting. But yeah, Toby, get out of that stuff. I hate that stuff. It grosses me out. Grubs. I think those are grub holes. I don't know. I'm not a tree expert. You got to stay there and wait on me. Tobe, come. Good boy. Good boy. He keeps stopping and checking on me. I love it. I brought him down here to get some exercise, and I needed to get some fresh air myself, and this is the only place that I'm comfortable at. Like, I mean, any woods, but we just don't, not trying to make it too, you know. I'm gonna pause it because I don't want Aunt Cheryl to see where I go mushroom hunting at. I don't know if you guys, where'd it go? I've lost it. Well, I tried to get it. I missed it. I'm zooming in on him because you know what he's doing? He's literally wallowing in the mud hole. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no, look at him. He's wallowing in the mud hole. There he comes out of it. You filthy good boy. Good job. He is so filthy. And once again, he's right back in it if I can find him. I've lost him. He's right there. You see him. He's laying right in the mud hole. Look how filthy he is. Oh man, you silly goose. He is so silly. Him so silly. Oh, it's so much. Sorry. Oh, wind's kicking up. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm gonna have to take him to the creek. Have to take him down to the creek, get him cleaned up. He's just a crazy, crazy boy. Yes, him is. He's just going crazy, running around acting. Oh, no, no. Oh. Poor boy. Poor boy, my butt. I'm the one that's got to deal with him. In the car. It don't matter. The car's a piece of junk anyways. Come on, let's go check your creek out and see if it's got some water in it. Right there's how I find my mushrooms. Around that right there. You know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to say what it is. If you know what it is, if you think about it. And what animal did it. There's even some fresh moss. That's fresh. Alright. Alright, I think Toby's heading for the creek. I did see some water in it. Ah! I don't break my neck first. There is water in it over here. I'm gonna have to bring him back. Toby! Toby! Come! Come this way, baby. Come on. Good boy. Come on. That's a boy. That's Mom's boy. Yes, good boy. You can go down here. I seen some fresh water. I seen some fresh water down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's down there. All right, let's walk all the way down. We'll have to go down and around. Oh, go ahead. Go on down there. He's like, yes, Mom, I'll go down there. It's there. It's that way. I seen it. What, you want me down too, huh? All right. Hold on. I have to pause this because I'll break my damn neck. There you go. Some fresh spring water. Not enough for him to lay in, though. Yep, that's the spring, guys. Part of the spring. Of course, he's got something here. I'm just trying to get him to get cleaned up. Look at it flowing. I don't know if we can get up around that. A lot of tree fell. Hold on, let me see if I can get over there. I don't think I can, though. It's pretty bad. I don't have waterproof shoes on. Yeah, he can't even get up through there. Better. Nice spring water. Apparently, I got it zoomed. There we go, I unzoomed it. But yeah, found him fresh spring water. We knew where it was at anyways. Still haven't found the one where it naturally comes up out of. If I get back up this hill and stuff, we'll go that way. And if I find it, I'll show you guys where it comes from. Exactly where it comes from. Alright, Tobe, we're going back up. Let's pause this sucker. Alright, folks, found it. Right here's where it starts at. I already got my hand filthy, as you can see. I'm not going to keep digging. But it comes up right out of here. Runs all the way down. Let's see if I can find some more. Hold on. Alright, folks. We are so done with this video. Yep. He's wore me out. We're both wore out, aren't we, Tobe? What do you think, Toby? Alright, we out of here. Welcome to our world, friends.